Hey there, I'm Charles. When it comes to picking out the right regenerative therapy, or what some people call a stem cell therapy, it's a lot like a confusing puzzle. A puzzle where the more the average person looks into it, the more mixed up everything seems to be. That's why when you compare the two providers we're looking at today, the choice, well, it becomes quite simple. But don't get me wrong, both companies have some good people. But when it comes down to it, only one of these companies was started to be a complete disruptor in the regenerative space. So what does that mean? Well, MyRegenNow, a group of regular, everyday kind of folks, saw how people were getting priced gouged in the American and international marketplace. Not only overcharged, but overcharged while using inferior biologic products. Biologics that are oftentimes less effective for the broader number of wellness issues being touted to impact, which is near fraudulent, truth be known. Not only that, people were having to travel thousands of miles to get a quality therapy, so MyRegenNow took 1 year to find the highest grade products and protocols, then established locations in nearly every state in America, while cutting the price to nearly half of every competitor's, with therapies and protocols being delivered by the best regenerative pros in the world. When comparing these two, you can easily see who you need to contact first. Hit the link to learn more about MyRegenNow.